Entertainment, Mr. Ritesh Sidhwani.
How are you, Sachin?
Fantastic, good to see you. A little forward, thank you. And next, put your hands together and welcome on stage the director of Hello Charlie, the man with the craft, Mr. Pankaj Saraswat. स्वागत है आप तीनों का. Thank you so much for joining us. A little forward. Thank you so much. Well, this family entertainer releases on the 9th of April. So what can we expect from this crazy, adventurous fun ride? Which is with you.
Crazy, entertaining fun ride. That's exactly what you can expect. I think, I've had the privilege and I'm incredibly grateful to Ritesh. I've been a part of this story, I think 18 months ago when when he locked the script, he shared it. And I can't remember laughing out loud as much as I did back then until I saw the film, which is a couple of weeks ago, and it's turned out even better. I think at a time, look, comedy is eternal, right? All of us love to laugh. If you think of the one thing we almost instantaneously share, it's a joke. There's nothing more social than a good comedy. And at a time like this, I think this is the perfect family entertainer for all ages, young, old, men, women. I think they're going to relish this film, and I think it's going to sit right there in the pantheon of great comedies. So kudos to Pankaj.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ritesh sir.
I think he summed it up really well. But we keep getting asked that you guys are not doing a next buddy film. You have done a Fukre or a Zindagi. So Pankaj came to us with this buddy film, but there was a twist to it. Buddy was a gorilla and the lead character on a trip. So that's what you can expect. Have some fun, and it's going to be a new buddy in town. That's what it's going to be.
Cool, and he looks full on musty.
Yeah, exactly. You saw.
Yeah.
They are at the park right now, rather than being here.
Yeah, true that. How we wish we could have had them here, but unfortunately. But Pankaj sir, what about you?
Tell me.
What can we expect?
Like he said, it's been a tough year. Last 1 year has been tough for us, especially for the kids. So the adults have been, voicing their opinion. They've been feeling locked up at home. But I think the kids have not had an option. So it's not a kid film, but it's very kid-friendly. And I hope everyone has a good laugh. And it's tough to make a film with an animal. Like you see, he's not here right now. So, yeah. So I hope everyone likes the film.
Absolutely, as you rightly said, sir, kids were at home, they were not allowed to, at least the elders could step out to do things. The kids were the ones who were locked up at home because of the circumstances, and now they will get a chance to actually go on a laughter ride. So, yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for the insights, and request to please take the hot seat as we are looking forward to the trailer. And as Vijay sir also said that, laughter is the best medicine. We want that from a break from our routine, sometimes serious life. We need हम सबको entertainment और हंसी मजाक. Jackie Shroff. Good to see you. It's a pleasure.
Hi guys, sorry about that. Social distance.
Thank you. 2 गज से भी ज़्यादा चले गए, but it's okay. All right, so next up, would like to welcome on stage the gorgeous and the beautiful lady who's going to make her mark in Bollywood with Hello Charlie as a debutante. Please welcome Ms. Shloka Pandit.
Good afternoon, everyone. Hello.
Hi, welcome. Thank you so much.
Such a pleasure. Very lovely. Keep it up.
And would like to welcome on stage the gracious and extremely stunning Miss Elnaz Nurozi.
Whoa.
I experienced that too.
Hi, how are you?
Fantastic. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank
and
you.
I hope I got the last name right, yeah?
You did very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Well, Jackie sir, आपसे शुरुआत करना चाहेंगे. First of all, the gentleman is so chivalrous because every time the lady came out, he was all there. So thank you. We love you for that. You are a rock star as always. You win hearts. वो आजकल बहुत कम है लोगों में यहाँ पर वो नहीं करते. So आपने, thank you so much. Another takeaway and learning from the man himself. I would like to ask, what can we expect? Jackie sir, with you from Hello
Fun,
Charlie.
fun. It's got my childhood out. In fact, I've been watching all the little clips. It takes me back to school, before school, when you're a little child. It's so pretty, the film. I'm so happy to be associated with these. I really, thank you. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you
made it
for the
happen.
honor.
Yeah,
We have the
to
best.
have you in the film.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. It's what I've learned from you guys, what you've done out here. I haven't done for 4 decades, like he says.
Thank you.
It's really fun. Shloka.
Thank you. Shloka,
Yes.
what about you? What do you want to tell the audience?
I want to tell them this film is very close to my heart. It's my first film, and this has been a childhood dream of mine. And working with Pankaj sir, Adar, Jackie sir, Elnaz, Rajpal sir, I mean, it was a fabulous opportunity and a fun ride. I got to learn so much in my first film, and you're going to love it because it's all heart, it's innocence, there's laughter, there's everything in the movie, and I think everyone is going to just love it.
Yo.
Especially the kids.
Thank
so
you.
yes.
Elnaz.
Yeah, for me it's also very special because I've never done comedy before. So going from all the serious stuff to a little comedy, which is cool, I think, because I know whoever knows me and my social media knows I'm pretty crazy that way, and I can be funny. So I'm excited to show that now that I can do that too. And it was a lot of fun shooting it because, you know, when you read the script and you're like, okay, oh, there's a gorilla, you don't know how the shoot is going to be. So, and on top of it, we shot everything outside. Nothing was in a studio or something. So it was a mad ride, literally, and you will see it in the film. So everybody keeps saying the children are going to love it, which I'm sure of, but honestly, I've been telling Sir also, I don't really laugh much when I watch movies because I'm like, okay, yeah, well, that's supposed to be funny. But in this film, I laughed so much myself. I'm not saying it because it's my film, I'm saying it because it's funny. So I think everybody is going to love it.
So we are looking forward to the mad avatars that all of you have in the film, yeah?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Come in, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, and I request you please take the hot seat. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so
Hot?
much.
It's hot?
Right there. When you sit there, of course it's going to be a hot seat, right?
Now.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining us. And as they said, you know, I've been saying fun ride, fun ride. She said it's going to be.
तोतो रुको ए क्या कर रहा है तोतो ओ हाय गाइस हाय अरे कंट्रोल तोतो सिट सिट बॉय सिट सबको नमस्ते करो डू नमस्ते गुड बॉय
Hello, Charlie. How are you? Thank you so much for joining us.
Sachin
Sada,
bhai.
thank you. Thank you. It's a pleasure to have you here.
थैंक यू सो मच
Toto! What's up? Good to see you.
And I have to say, first, I'm very, very sorry that we were a bit delayed. We were in a theme park because this naughty boy couldn't control himself. But हम finally आ गए हैं. हमारा trailer launch है. We could never miss it for the world. And we're both excited. Aren't you excited, Toto? Good boy.
He is absolutely a good boy. And Toto, I think now Toto would want to rest because he's panting, and I'm sure he wants to rest. If you,
केला खाओगे?
Charlie.
केला खाओगे? Okay, go backstage. Go.
Oh yes, we've got a stock of bananas right there at the backstage. Backstage, Olo, please give way. Thank
Bye,
you so
Toto.
much. Thank you. Ada, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so
And,
much. Thank you. Hi, guys.
Thank you for bringing. Let's have a huge round of applause for Ada. Thank you. And thank you for bringing Toto too.
Of course.
Yeah, so we've already got a glimpse of as to what the madness is, but you want to tell us a little more about what the madness is going to unfold on the 9th of April.
Oh, Hello Charlie is a film that's very, very special to all of us, the entire cast and crew. It's something we worked very, very hard on. प्यार से मेहनत से हमने इस फिल्म को बनाई है, and it's a fun-filled adventure comedy, and I promise that ये फिल्म आपको हंसाएगी, मुस्कुराएगी और भरपूर entertain करेगी.
We're looking forward to it. Thank you so much, Ada.
Thank you so much,
And
man.
I request you to please join the hot seat.
Hot seat?
Which is
Okay.
already hot
Okay.
because of all the hot individuals who are sitting on that chair. So thank you. All right. Now that we've got Ada, we've got Charlie, we've got Toto, we've got the entire makers, the crew off. Hello so much, everyone. Thank you and all the best for this crazy, as you said, fun, mad, laughter ride we are looking forward to on the 9th of April. And thank you once again. A couple of questions that I have before we open the floor for the Q&A. So if you guys permit, aapki
Yeah, yeah.
ijazat ho to. Yeah?
Please.
All right, starting with Vijay sir. what do you have to say regarding the collaboration between Excel Entertainment and Amazon Prime Video, that it is bringing us films from different genres, so many different genres?
Look, one of the things that we've really respect Excel for is their focus on creating multiple themes and stories. You know, not just on the film side, but we have a very deep relationship with them across formats, including shows. And just the sheer variety that they're able to bring means that they have a very collaborative, creative ecosystem that gives voices to different kinds of storytellers. And it's really amazing to see their body of work over time. And that proof is out there for everyone. I think for me personally, what's always stood out is Ritesh's ability to take risks and back genres that we know inherently will be loved, but at the face of it, you know, everybody kind of shies away from. If you look at the work they've done with Fukre, for example, or more recently, Gully Boy, when you look back, you say, wow, great film, amazing entertainers, really funny and all of that. But when you actually put them together, not too many people have the vision that he does to back this. Again, I go back to my earlier comment. I was part of the early script, and I haven't laughed that loudly, and you saw just a glimpse of it. This is I think 2 minutes of a promise of about 2 hours of madness. You know, so hats off to him, yeah. You know, to be able to back that, because in these kind of things, it's really the story, you know, that makes a great film. And I think I'm very proud on behalf of Amazon Prime Video to be presenting this to the world.
Thank you for giving us some crazy content every time. Thank you. Thank you so much. And we're getting to the visionary. As you said, the man has a vision, and the visionary.
The visionary is there. You're writer, director.
How did this, Ritesh sir, come to life? The concept of Hello Charlie.
You know, I think it's Pankaj a few years ago had come up with this story. He's written it, he's directed this film, and he narrated this story to us. And I remember from that first narration, you know, it's very rarely do you go through a script where, you know, you'll have some changes. So there were minute changes and suggestions because it's a collaborative effort. But I insisted that every time he does a change, I want a narration. Because I was enjoying the narration, I had to make him start from the beginning. And poor guy, I think must have just to me and Farhan, he must have done some 40 or 50 narrations, at least, minimum. So I think that's the, but I think it was something where, you know, you could relate to immediately. The minute he narrated, you're talking of a person, you know, is trying to escape the country in disguise of a gorilla. It sounds crazy. And you find this simpleton who's, you know, been entrusted with this job of taking him from Mumbai to Diu. So it was going to be a fun ride. But I think what we were very clear on is if you're bringing this, you know, onto a film and it's, you know, you're going to take it to a different level, then you need to find the right gorilla, right? So we started researching, and I think Pankaj very early went off to the US. He, you know, wanted to meet up with the team there. So we were very clear, if you're going to make this for the Indian audience, you have to do it on a way that, because they're obviously exposed to seeing films from around the world, right? So we were fortunate that we could find the right team, bring them down. There's the same team which had worked on Planet of the Apes. So we, you know, did that. So we thought it had to be something different, because it's a simple story. It is funny, you can watch it with the whole family, but there are great moments in it. It's endearing. So, I mean, to do that, what was going to be different? So I think that was the toughest task of getting a gorilla in, and obviously you have some great actors, you know, who come in and complete those characters which was written by him. So overall, I think that's how it all just worked out, you know.
We want to deep down a little, you know, deep dive a little more into it, that how come one and only Toto? Like, how did this?
This is, again, here. I think he wrote it. I think this was all conceived by him. So I think the credit lies with the writer-director right here.
What about you, sir? कैसे ये ज़हन में आया कि Toto एक gorilla? How will we come up with this character?
इतना ही कहूँगा कि मेरे कई जोड़ी जूते घिस गए, कई प्रोड्यूसर्स के पास जाते जाते, तो मुझे हर जगह से भगा दिया जाता था. बोलते थे ये क्या गोरिल्ला वोरिल्ला लेके आए हो, ऐसी फिल्में चलती नहीं है, इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है. Till finally everybody used to call me mad. They said this kind of stuff won't work in India. Till I met someone who was madder than me, and they said, man, wow, this is it. So, and then on and there on, and it's been a long journey, but thanks to Excel, they are fantastic producers. They go all out, and they go right till the end. which Ritesh did, and he sent me to LA. We found the gorilla, and it was a long process, but he stood by me all along. I mean,
So as he said, wow, I've got somebody madder and we've got something crazier. We're looking forward to it. And thank you for bringing that. But how was the entire journey, kaisa raha safar, to direct the whole film?
it was tough. It was tough because we were shooting outdoors, and it's a road film. So almost everything was done outside Bombay. So traveling with the crew, with the truck, with the gorilla, with other, it was very hot, and it was difficult, but yes, we pulled it through. Plus, we did a lot of patchwork. We kept coming back and forth, and then the pandemic happened. So, I mean, it's been tough, but I'm glad we're here today.
And we are glad too, because we want a breather. We want to, break from this whole, we want a laughter ride. And this is after a very long time. We're looking
Yeah, I'm
forward.
hoping it brings some relief to
Yes,
the
absolutely.
otherwise. Yeah.
2 मिनट में हमको तो बहुत रिलीफ मिला यहाँ पर 2 घंटे में तो यकीनन मजा आने वाला है
मुझे भी ऐसे ही लग रहा है.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Adar,
Yes.
you're the closest to Toto.
I
तुमने
am.
जो हमारे साथ मस्ती की है आज, थीम पार्क में मजे करके आए हो और फिल्म में भी पूरे तुमने शूटिंग के दौरान जो मजे किए हैं. Can you tell us a bit about the camaraderie, the chemistry between you and Toto?
Well, I think we can all agree that the gorilla, Toto, is just very, very cute and very fun, loving. I'm a big animal lover, and what better co-star to have than an animal, a gorilla, a really sweet one, that too. He's amazing. We have an amazing bond on and off screen, and I have to say that, it's been such a lovely, different experience for me to shoot this time with a gorilla. And I think, we've seen a lot of jodis on screen, romantic jodis. But it's the first time you're going to see a jodi between a boy and a gorilla. And choti muh badi baat, but hopefully this will go down in history as one of those famous jodis. I hope so.
So, romance, bromance, gromance.
Bahut bromance, bahut gomance.
Gomance, yeah?
Definitely, definitely.
Thank you. Jackie sir, from 4 decades, you've given us some of the best and won our hearts. So thank you so much for your contribution and entertaining us throughout.
Thank you for watching me.
And how was the entertainment on the sets with 2 different eras coming together?
Full power. It's like when you दो current मिलता है तो बहुत charge हो जाता है, negative positive. तो energy बच्चे लोग में बहुत था, तो वो energy खा रहा था. और director sir is like a child himself. I think he's really funny, and I wish we could have, at least I could have done a little bit like how he wanted. But I tried to give as much as I could. 40 साल कर रहा है, इतनी चमड़ियाँ चढ़ गई है, वो सब निकाल के उसको दूसरा चमड़ी लगाने का. तो मुश्किल था, मगर जिस तरह से बोला जानवरों के साथ खेलना मुश्किल होता है, तो हम जैसे गधों के साथ खेलना भी बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. He tried his best, and I think he's made a super film. He is a fantastic director, writer, no doubt about it. He's done many comedy shows before that. And then look at the cast and look at the team. Look at the guy with big heart out there. Yeah, come on, go where you want, make the film. Look at Amazon. Amazon is rocking. They want to give different genres all the time. I think it's a win-win for me. I just have to hang around, be sincere about my job, be disciplined, listen to my director, look around at these young talent. So beautiful, superb. You're so endearing, you both of you. Really, my love. As much as I love Toto, I love you two so much. You come out so beautifully, kids. I swear to God, there's nothing. I need nothing from nobody. You're brilliant, both of you, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
Director Saab, and then you have such a glam. I mean, in that gorilla type of film, na thoda khoobsurati bhi to bhai, chehra bhi, mashallah, do hamare khoobsurat ladies, they've rocked. She's fantastic. Well, what to say? Just look at her, and I don't want to say much. You're wonderful, lady. You acted beautifully. You look lovely. He handled you beautifully too.
Yes,
And I'm happy
everybody
that I
did.
worked with you.
Yes, me too.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thanks, guys, for being there. Not that we can see anything out there. चश्मे या चश्मे से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, दिख ही नहीं रहा है. पहली बार जब शूटिंग किया था हीरो का, तो ऐसे 16 रिफ्लेक्टर मुंह पे मारे थे. आंख खुल नहीं रहा था. बोले अरे आंख तो खोल. मरहूम माशाल्लाह हमारे डांस डायरेक्टर सुभाष जी ने बोला नहीं ऐसे ही रहना. So ऐसे ही रहा, ऐसे ही, मगर इतना क्यों मार रहे भाई? कम दिखाई दे रहा है क्या सबको? Enjoying the film, just rock with the film. मेरा बचपना बाहर आ गया देखकर जो मैंने देखा. मैं चाहता हूँ कि सबका बचपन बाहर आएगा.
Thank you, Jackie sir. Thank you so much. And हमने आपके हर किरदार को बहुत प्यार किया है. you've done justice to it, and we're looking forward to this one as well. So thank you.
Thank you
so much, sir.
Sachin.
Shloka,
Yes.
tell us a bit about your character. Elaborate a little what your character is all about in this.
My character is all heart. She's feisty, just like me in real life. So I think the casting was perfect, bang on. I just had to play a rural version of myself, so I was very lucky in that sense. And she's full heart, all out there to save and be with her Charlie, and it's great. It's a wonderful, wonderful journey of this girl. I don't want to reveal much because, you know, and the trailer didn't reveal much either. I want everyone to see the film. But it definitely shows a different side of me. And I get to dance, which is my forte. So I'm fortunate enough to have that song in the film. So I hope everyone likes it. And I'm just blessed to be here. And I'm very fortunate that Pankaj sir has given me this opportunity and Excel